Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect DJI drone footage to Premiere Pro workflow. Beginner. Open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Create a new project by clicking on New Project in the Welcome window. Name your project and choose a location to save it. Ensure the appropriate settings for video resolution and frame. Once your project opens, go to the Media Browser panel. Locate the folder where your DJI drone footage is stored. Navigate to the video files you want to import. Select the desired files and right-click. Choose Import from the context menu to bring the clips into your project. Your footage will appear in the Project panel. Create a new sequence by dragging one of your video clips to the New Item button at the bottom of the Project panel. Alternatively, you can go to File, then New, and select Sequence. In the sequence settings, choose a preset that matches your footage specifications. Once your sequence is created, drag your imported clips to the timeline. Arrange the clips in the desired order for your project. Trim any unwanted sections using the razor tool or the selection tool. To stabilize any shaky footage, select the clip in the timeline. In the FX Control panel, navigate to the Warp Stabilizer effect. Drag and drop the effect onto the clip. Adjust settings in the FX Control panel as needed. Explore color correction by selecting your footage in the timeline. Go to the color workspace for various grading options. Adjust the exposure, contrast, and saturation to enhance your footage. Add transitions between clips by navigating to the Effects panel. Search for the desired transition and drag it between the clips in the timeline. To include audio, import your audio files using the same method you used for video. Drag your audio files to the timeline below the video clips. Adjust audio levels in the audio track mixer as needed. Once your edit is complete, go to File and then Export. Select Media to open the Export Settings window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.